Traditional flapper valves use a rubber seal that lifts to release water, while modern canister valves use a large piston or diaphragm to allow a rapid, more even flush. Flapper valves are simple. A rubber disc attached to a lift chain falls back into place by gravity and relies on a clean sealing surface to prevent leaks. Over time, minerals collect on the rubber and the seat, causing imperfect seals that lead to slow leaks or phantom flushing. Routine cleaning with a non-abrasive vinegar soak and gentle scrubbing restores function without replacing parts. Canister valves replace the disc with a larger diameter cup that rises straight up, creating a wider, unobstructed flow path and shortening the flush time while reducing turbulence that leaves residue in the bowl. Canister designs typically use harder materials and different sealing geometries that resist calcium deposits, but they require correct alignment and a compatible tank lid height at installation. When selecting between them, consider water efficiency targets, the cost of occasional part replacement, and the ease of local repairs. For retrofit projects, measure tank dimensions and chain or lift compatibility before buying a replacement valve. For plumbing professionals, tighten mounting nuts to manufacturer torque specs, avoid petroleum-based lubricants on seals, and test for a full flush and stable refill cycle before finishing installation. Common mistakes include using abrasive cleaners that accelerate seal wear, which you avoid by choosing mild acids like household white vinegar and soft brushes to remove deposits. Another issue is mismatching valve size to the tank, which causes poor flush performance and overflow risks. So always measure the tank diameter and reference the valve model fit guide before purchase. Homeowners also often ignore the chain or lift adjustment, leading to partial lifts and weak flushes. So, set the chain slack so the valve opens fully without dragging on the seat, and confirm the refill tube is properly clipped to the overflow. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners compare options like flapper and canister valves and connect with local contractors who can install or advise on the best choice for a specific plumbing situation. Our site also helps contractors find work and join a community discussion area where professionals and homeowners exchange real-world tips and experiences.